Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Instagram is not showing notification for the collaborations. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, first of all, check your internet connection is properly working or not. Then after that, if your digital collaboration is still not showing, then try logging out of your Instagram account and log in again. Even after that, your digital collaboration is not working, then you should switch your business account into normal account. In order to do that, just simply open your Instagram and directly go to setting. Now after coming into setting and privacy, click into this business tools and control. Then you will find this option of switch account type into here. Now click to this switch to personal account option, then confirm the process. After doing this, your account will get the notification for the collaboration into Instagram. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.